rise and fall story. He made $50 million in 2 years, then lost everything. He wasn't born rich. There was no inheritance, no family empire, no silver spoon waiting for him. There was no spotlight on his early life, no interviews, no viral clips predicting what he would become. He was invisible, just another young man watching the world change from behind screen, while others were chasing traditional careers. He was spending nights scrolling through forums, reading white papers, watching charts move in silence. Crypto was still new, confusing, mocked, ignored by most people who thought it was a joke or a phase. But he saw something different. He didn't see magic money, he saw inefficiency. Prices moved wildly. Markets were emotional. Information traveled faster than regulation. And he was early to crypto, early to leverage, early to understanding how risk could be used to multiply opportunity. His first wins were small, that a few $1,000s here, that a good trade there. Nothing that would impress anyone, nothing that would scare him. Then the market exploded. Bitcoin ran. Altcoins followed. Volatility became opportunity. Every trade worked. Not because he was perfect, not because he was smarter than everyone else, but because the market was forgiving. Losses were erased by bigger wins. Mistakes were hidden by momentum. Confidence grew faster than experience. Thousands turned into hundreds of thousands. Hundreds of thousands turned into millions. Screenshots began to circulate. People noticed. A quiet trader became a name people whispered in group chats, then mentioned on Twitter, then followed. He shared entries, he posted results, he didn't boast, and that made people trust him more. He looked disciplined, calm, calculated. Money kept coming. 5 million, 10 million, 20 million. In less than 2 years, he crossed a number that didn't feel real. $50 million. Not paper wealth, not locked assets. Liquid capital. The kind of money that changes how you see the world. People didn't just follow him anymore. They copied him, mirrored his trades, built their strategies around his decisions. Some call him a genius. Others called him proof that crypto was the future. He didn't correct them, because deep down, he started to believe it too. The danger didn't come from greed. It came from familiarity. Losses no longer felt painful. Drawdowns felt temporary. Risk felt manageable. He had survived worse. Or so he thought. Leverage had always been part of strategy. But now, it felt safer. After all, it had worked every time before. One trade appeared on his screen. A setup he had seen hundreds of times. Market conditions looked familiar. The bias felt obvious. But something was different. The position size was bigger. The leverage was higher. Not because he needed it, because he could. The trade went live. For a moment, it moved in his favor. Enough to reinforce the belief. Enough to silence the small voice in his head. Then the market shifted. Not violently, not dramatically. Just enough. Price moved against him. Normally, he would reduce risk, hedge, exit early. This time he didn't, because champions don't panic. Because winners hold conviction. Because he'd been right too many times to doubt himself now. The loss grew. He added margin. The market moved again. Liquidation warnings appeared. For the first time in years, fear surfaced. Not fear of loss, fear of being wrong. Minutes passed. The screen refreshed. And then it happened. Liquidation. No explosion, the dramatic sound. Just a number disappearing. $50 million. Gone. In minutes. There was no scam, no hacker, no malicious actor. No one to blame. Just a market doing what markets do. He sat there staring at the screen. Not screaming, not crying. Numb. The same market that made him rich had taken everything back. Faster than it gave it. News spread quickly. Followers noticed the silence. Trades stopped appearing. Screenshots stopped coming. People who once praised him asked questions. Some accused him of lying. Others accused him of hiding money. A few defended him. But the truth was simpler. He had lost. Not because he was stupid, but because success had rewritten his rules. When you win too often, discipline feels optional. When losses don't hurt, Risk feels small. When the market rewards ego, humility disappears. He didn't lose $50 million in one trade. He lost it slowly. In the moments, he ignored risk management. And the times he believed experience replaced discipline. And the confidence that convinced him the market owed him. The market owes no one. It doesn't care about past wins. IT doesn't respect reputation. IT doesn't reward belief. It only responds to probabilities. After the loss, he disappeared. No comeback post, no motivational thread, no redemption arc. Just the silence. Some say he walked away for good. Others say he trades small now, anonymously. But the legend faded, not because he failed, but because he forgot the rule that created his success in the first place. Survival comes before profit. Risk comes before reward. And discipline matters more than brilliance. If you want to avoid stories like this becoming your own, the lesson is simple but not easy. Never risk more than you can survive. Never let leverage replace logic, and never allow confidence to silence your rules. Use fixed risk per trade, respect drawdowns, and treat capital protection as the real win. If this story opened your eyes, subscribe to this channel for more real market stories, lessons, and warnings. Like this video and share it with every investor or trader who needs to hear this before it's too late. We also offer basic trading education designed to help you build responsibility, discipline, and control in the markets. You can learn more by visiting www.10xdigitalian.com. Success without discipline doesn't last. And markets don't reward ego. They punish it, silently, swiftly, and without mercy.